Who guarantees that our roads meet their promises? That our concrete withstands any weather condition? That essential measurements are not just accurate, but precise? Since 1991, we've understood construction materials and their properties. Our mission? To make them measurable. For over 30 years, we've been manufacturing testing equipment with the highest standards of precision and quality. Their longevity is only surpassed by their accuracy. Our proof? Our customers. Because even if our products need maintenance, our service team is available 24/7. We are able to deliver any replacement part within 48 hours, guaranteed and worldwide. Outstanding service is in our DNA. Our team works seamlessly to optimize every step, every process. From the first order to the final delivery, we ensure your replacement parts arrive not only fast, but also in time. To ensure we're always ready to respond, we keep all 400 of our parts in stock and within arm's reach. But we'll never settle for the status quo. Every machine, every component is continuously improved by our development team, and if necessary, completely redesigned. From compact standard testing devices to our turnkey laboratory system solutions, we provide answers to every problem in the construction materials sector. Because only by challenging ourselves every day, constantly reevaluating our products, and developing strong ideas and unique solutions, can we continue to deliver the best testing technology solutions worldwide. Where others only see problems, we'll find a solution. Not just for our customers, but for all of us. One world, one road, one concept.